What's up, bros? Man, I get asked all the time, dude, how do you keep your hair so silky smooth? Man, it looks so good. Man, I know is this is one of the ingredients in my aftershave. This is a coconut oil. I use this in conjunction with some of the different essential oils. I mix it up every time. Wait a minute, why am I telling you all my secrets for? You better back up and mind your beeswax. You don't have no business even knowing what I'm doing. Plus, I'm waiting on my buddy Shea to get here. And all I know is Shea butter, hurry up and get here because I'm ready to make this stuff up now. And he best not be bringing that old nasty woman with him like he did last time. Her name's Hazel. Man, she ain't nothing but a witch. She just better not even show up at my house. So once the shea butter, the coconut oil, and the beeswax all melt down in the double boiler and become liquid, you pour that into another bowl with the witch hazel, and you mix it all together. And you can use a mixer. I'm going to use a fork and kind of beat it together to kind of whip it till it's more of a creamy consistency. So I'm going to turn you off while I whip it, and then I'll come back and tell you what we got. What you're looking for is a nice sort of mashed potatoes sort of consistency. You can go a little lighter if you want to, but a thick mashed potatoes consistency works well. Once you get it to that point and it's fairly cool, you then add your oils. Okay, so everything's cooled down. It's this consistency of mashed potatoes still. So I'm going to go ahead and add my oils. I'm going to put 3 different oils in this mix, and each are going to have about 15 to 20 drops. You'll have to kind of adjust that based on what you want. But the first oil I'm going to put in is lavender. The lavender is perfect for an aftershave lotion or cream because it actually promotes healthier skin. It reduces your razor burn and also your razor bumps. So that's one of the reasons I love the lavender, since it's the perfect skin product. Peppermint's the other. It's a great companion to the lavender, being that the peppermint's actually going to have a cooling effect on your skin, and so it also promotes a sense of alertness. So that combination is really good. And then the last oil I'm going to put in there is the wild orange. The wild orange actually will not only give you that amazing citrus smell, but it also helps give you that same sense of alertness. So I really like this combination. I've used it several times before, and it's one of my favorites. If you want to go more woodsy, more manly, then you could easily add one of the more woodsy type oils, like the cypress, the arbor vitae, cedarwood. You know, pick your oil and put it in there. It really is up to you what you want it to smell like, and what purpose you want it to serve. I really like this blend. It smells nice, smells clean, smells fresh, and keeps my skin looking silky smooth. Anyway, when you're done with all that and you get it folded in nicely, add that to a 4-ounce jar. I keep these on hand, and I usually will write on the lid with a Sharpie what's in there, so that way I know. So anyway, once I get the jar filled, I'll be toting in the bathroom, good to go. But anyway, this is Chris with dōTERRA, man. Check out this mix. You can really customize it to you. One of my favorite things to do, especially after I shave. And the nice thing is, it also makes a fantastic beard oil because of the consistency. You can actually massage that into your beard, and it'll actually do the same thing for your beard that it does for your skin. Looking good, looking sharp. You know, you got to do a lot to look this good. Well, anyway, Chris with dōTERRA, man. I'm out.